What you're seeing right now is raw power meeting glowing hot steel. No fancy effects. No edits. Just pure industrial force. One press, one moment, and solid metal bends like butter. Watch closely. Because this machine doesn't hesitate. This is a heavy industrial press at work. A machine designed for one job only. To shape, cut, and control metal under extreme pressure. The steel bar you see isn't cold. It's heated to a high temperature, making it red hot and ready to be formed. At this stage, timing is everything. Too early, metal cracks. Too late, it hardens. This is precision mixed with experience. As the steel is placed carefully under the press, the operator aligns it perfectly with the cutting die. This press works using hydraulic force. Thousands of kilograms of pressure. Moving in a single downward motion. When the press comes down, the energy transfers directly into the metal. No sparks. No explosion. Just controlled power. The metal doesn't break. It yields. This is how industrial components, tools, and frames are shaped every day in workshops like this. Listen to that sound. That deep, solid thump. That's not noise. That's force being released. The glowing steel slowly changes shape, edges become clean, and the cut is smooth. This moment is why people love watching these videos. It's mechanical ASMR. No rush. No chaos. Just calm, powerful motion. One clean press. One perfect cut. Machines like this build the world around us. From construction beams. To vehicle parts. To farming equipment. And industrial tools. Processes like this are happening behind the scenes. Most people never see it. But this is where strength is born. Every bridge, factory, and machine starts with raw material and controlled force. Simple tools. Serious power. If watching this felt satisfying, you're not alone. There's something calming about precision, heat, and power working together perfectly. If you enjoy real industrial processes, no filters, no drama. Just pure work. Like this video, comment what you want to see next, and follow for more satisfying machine videos. Because sometimes, watching metal bend is more relaxing than music.
The steel bar is repositioned again, another press, another controlled movement, heat rises, pressure follows, shape changes. This process may look slow, but it's incredibly efficient. In just minutes, raw material turns into something useful. Parts made this way will later be drilled, welded, assembled, and finally put to work somewhere far away, maybe inside a machine you'll never see, maybe holding up a structure you pass every day. Most people never think about how these parts are made, but everything strong starts here, under pressure. Watching this kind of work has a strange effect. Your breathing slows, your mind quiets, there's no guessing, no randomness, just cause and effect. That's why industrial videos feel satisfying. They show order in a chaotic world. One action leads to one result, every time.
As the next heated piece is brought in, you can feel the rhythm of the workshop settle in. Nothing here is rushed. Every movement has a reason. The metal arrives glowing, not just hot, but workable, soft enough to obey pressure, strong enough to hold form. The press waits, silent, heavy, unmoving. This pause matters. Before force is applied, alignment decides everything. A few millimeters off, and the entire piece can fail. So the metal is adjusted, nudged into place, centered beneath the die. Only then does the machine move. The press descends slowly at first, testing resistance, feeling the material. Then the real pressure comes. This is where numbers stop mattering. Not tons, not psi, just result. The steel compresses, edges tightening, surface flattening. You can almost see stress traveling through the metal, redistributing itself, finding balance.
Pressure follows, shape changes. This process may look slow, but it's incredibly efficient. In just minutes, raw material turns into something useful. Parts made this way will later be drilled, welded, assembled, and finally put to work somewhere far away, maybe inside a machine you'll never see, maybe holding up a structure you pass every day. Most people never think